everybody, it's your girl Aj back with another YouTube video, and I am coming to y'all with yet another wig review. Yes honey, so I've already kind of explained to y'all about wigs and my wig life, so I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into it. So it is fall. It may not feel like fall, but it's basically fall to me. It is September in Texas. Yes, it is still hot, but you know what? It's okay. I'm from the Midwest and I'm used to the cool weather, and I'm ready for the cool weather. So I am coming to y'all with a fall color wig. Okay, so I've already taken the wig out of the package and everything, and I will let y'all know who is the star of the show today. Today the star is, I don't know if y'all can see this, model 5 lace part wig in Electra. She is a part in the middle type wig, and I got her in the color ffamber. This is a synthetic wig. You can use heat on it up to 400 degrees. I don't recommend that, but yeah. She comes in a ton of different other colors, but this is what the stock card looks like. So let's go ahead and just put her on. Oh, a little bit about what the 5" means. The 5" means you get 5 inches of parting to the back. So here she is, as you can see. Straight wig, basic wig. The colors in it, it's like red, I see blonde, I see copper, blonde, and like burgundy, kind of like all mixed together. Like the blonde is really like small streaks of it, and then I see mostly copper and burgundy in it, and then you have like the dark roots. So I'll show y'all the construction of the cap. Construction of the cap is basic. Here is your 5" parting space. Here are your 2 combs in the front, and then your comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. What I will say so far about the wig, what I am not liking, is that the hair, since this is a synthetic wig, the hairs don't look straight. Like, you know how cankeline hairs sometimes can be like wavy a little bit? I'm seeing like slight waves and like crinkles. I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all probably can't see it on camera. Slight waves and crinkles, especially at the top in this wig. Let me just go ahead and put it on. Under here I have simple, part in the middle, braids to the back. This wig has no lace. So since it has no lace, you could have that demarc or that mark in the front that shows. So you got to make sure you either you can pluck hair out of that, or you just cover it up with like your powder or concealer. I love the color. I will first come out and say that the color, I thought when I saw the color that it was like, that's weird, but it looks fall-y, so I'm gonna get it. And then when I got it and I took it out the package, I was like, I don't know. But I actually kind of like the color on my skin tone. I wish the wig was a little bit thicker. As you can see, it doesn't have a lace. I'm just going to take a flat concealer brush and some of my LA Girl Pro face concealer. Or, I'm saying concealer. Y'all, this is not concealer. This is definitely setting powder. Sorry. And I'm just going to tap some into my part. This is just going to make it look a bit more natural. And y'all, I will list everything below with where I got this wig from. I got it online. And this is definitely an affordable wig. I think I paid maybe $25 for this. The only thing about this is I wish it had, I may cut some of the bang. I may cut some bangs in it, just a little bit going back. I just feel like It's too much hair up towards the front, and it needs to be cut just a little bit. So since I told y'all they have the little crinkly spots in it, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take my flat iron. I have my flat iron here on. Oh Jesus, don't say it's not gonna reach. I have my, y'all. Okay, you know what? This is a struggle right here. I'm on struggle, let's struggle bust. I'm gonna take my flat iron on 320. And I'm just gonna kind of flatten, not flatten, but press out some of those crinkly areas, which I'm not feeling at all. There we go. There we go. Okay, y'all. Now I'm like feeling it. I'm feeling it now. It's really cute. It's long. It's like probably, how long is this? 24 inches. But I'm not getting much tangling or shedding. Just the ends are giving me a little bit of tangle. But other than that, I mean, I like it. I think that when I wear this, I will probably have my hair, I would probably put this behind my ear, maybe. And then wear that part out. Yeah. Yeah, that works better for my face shape. Yeah. Uh-huh. There you go. Hey, there you go. Hey. Yes. Okay, so I like it. I like it better like this. It was just too flat around my face, I feel like. This works. This works for me right here. Yeah, honey. So, let me see if I can give y'all, you know, a whole 360. See how long it is, but it definitely comes right above my butt. Y'all, this wig is perfect for fall. It's super cute. The color is super cute. Like I said, I didn't think that I would like this color, but I do. I love that the roots are still dark. I just don't like that. I think that the wig needs a lot more hair. Like, it's way too thin up in this area. It's not thin on the ends. The ends are good, but up in here in the cap, the hair, it needs more hair. Needs more volume in it. So this is gonna go perfect for the fall with your sweaters and your jeans and the falling leaves and they're changing colors and you're out here looking cute like fire. Yes. So okay, yes, you know. But yeah, so thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my channel with your friends, your family, your mama, your daddy, whoever, and I will look forward to seeing y'all